environment. You don't bother if somebody is staying in America. You're only bothered about a person in your environment. Either you remove him from your environment, either remove him. But if you can't remove him, then treat him as per that, no? Suppose you have got one relative. You can't remove that relative because he's a very close relative, staying in your house or staying. Now you say, I mistrust this person. Can we say, I know this person's behavior in this aspect and I guard myself in this aspect, in other ways I trust. So we can't say, I mistrust this person totally. Can we say, I know this person's behavior in this aspect? So as per this aspect, I'm going to handle him. Yes or no? Today you have got a servant working for you. You trust that person everything. But doesn't mean that आप उसमें पूरा gold की चाबी वाबी सब देके चले जाओगे. But yes, आपने उसको घर का हिसाब दिया है. You know कि he is going to give you safe food. He is going to cook food in a hygienic way. But doesn't mean कि आप अपना बैंक अकाउंट लॉकर सब परिवार सब साइन करके उसको दे दोगे. Yes or no? And mistrusting doesn't mean you will tell. Suppose you have a friend. You say I trust this person. Doesn't mean that you will give everything, all your money, all your knowledge, all your secrets to him. Can you say that there is a certain friend जिसके behavior के हिसाब से this person I trust him with my secrets. This person I trust him with my emotions. This person I trust him with my financial advice. Can we say knowing the behavior of a person and treating him as per the behavior is called trust or mistrust? Yes or no? So today, when you call your friend back, understand if he is coming back and you want to make him come back, it means understand in this world nobody wants to cheat any person. He is behaving like he is. He doesn't think he's taking your money. He thinks that the money he needs for something. He's not cheating you. He's behaving as per his definition. You see, yesterday I got one forward in WhatsApp. The lion was saying that, I will not become vegetarian just because you think vegetarian is good. I know myself, I will eat this. It's my behavior. So उसका behavior ऐसा है ना. Why do we say कि हर इंसान का same होना चाहिए? भाई किसी person का ऐसा है, किसी का कान कच्चे हैं, कोई बोल देता है, तो we have to understand there is nothing called trust and mistrust. You can clearly open your heart out to every single person in the humanity. You can open your heart out with love, knowing that person.
Madam, if you have a lot of secret, that can block your heart chakra.
If you have lot
of secrets.
But why do you need to keep a secret? Secret means I don't want others to know. It means there is a lot of hanky-panky going on.
That's what I said.
Lot of skeletons in the cupboard.
I have cheated tax evasion cases.
Yeah.
Suppose I have not paid, it is known to me.
Yeah.
Which I have done.
Yeah.
It will always block my heart chakra.
See, why it will block your heart chakra is you feel you have done some guilt. But if you say that I have done something good, I have saved a lot of money, it's your definition. See, guilt is your definition, shame is your definition. Everything are definitions. ये दुनिया जो क्रिएट हुई है वो शब्द से हुई है और शब्द को हमने ऐसा घुमा के इतना कंफ्यूज कर दिया है खुद को. There is nothing called guilt, there is nothing called shame, there is nothing called greed. These are all definitions. सब definition है, personal definitions है. अब महाभारत में कृष्ण टोल्ड कि झूठ बोलो, वो बदल गया क्योंकि कृष्ण ने बोला. कृष्ण यूज्ड टू स्टील माखन, वो बदल गया क्योंकि वो बच्चे हैं. See, understand there is no definition. It is as per your convenience. Every definition is made as per your convenience.
इसका मतलब है जो आप कोर्ट में जज के सामने प्लेट कर रहे हैं अपना केस.
हाँ.
तो मन में तो ये रहेगा ना मैडम.
देखो मन में रहेगा, definitely you will invite punishment. Right? मन में रहेगा कि मैंने गलत किया है, मैंने टैक्स इवेजन किया है. Don't worry, somebody is going to come on your doorstep. So see, guilt होगा, you have to release it. Better will be if you have done it and you feel that it was something I should have done it, then you should make all the systems so that you are not caught. Okay? You should make systems that you are not caught. You should make very effective systems. Doesn't mean see no person can be 100% right in everything. कभी तो झूठ बोलना पड़ता है. हर चीज मेरे को झूठ और सच की डेफिनेशन भी तो चेंज हो जाती है ना. किसी को जान बचाने के लिए झूठ बोल दिया, उसको अच्छा बोला जाता है. तो हु इज डिफाइनिंग? ओनली यू. कौन जज है? यू. कोई ऊपर थोड़ी भगवान बैठा है. नोबडी हैज टाइम. You are the only judge in your life. There is no moral, there is no immoral. There is no sahi, there is no galat. There is no greed, there is no selfishness. There is no definition actually in this world. It is your definition. But yes, if it is your definition, you have to work as per that definition or heal yourself. If you feel guilty for having done something wrong, it could be illegal, it could be immoral. It could be illegal, it could be immoral. If you have done something wrong and you feel it, the simple way is look at it, feel sad about it, release it and promise I will never do again. Only then you can be healed. Otherwise you will develop a disease. But yes, you can't do like that. I feel guilty and I will continue doing it. ऐसा तो नहीं चलेगा. And next time when you do it, you make a system. आपको अपने मन को समझाना है, कोई है ही नहीं आगे इसके अलावा. The world is a mirror. The person who is seeing in front of you, it's you only you are seeing. So basically understand, trust and mistrust is also your personal definition. There is nobody in the world you should mistrust. आज जिसको मिसट्रस्ट करते हो, कल वो आपका सबसे बड़ा सगा भी हो सकता है. और आज जिसको ट्रस्ट करते हो सकता है tomorrow he can do something which is not as per what you wanted him to do. आज ट्रस्ट और मिसट्रस्ट में किसी ने आपका सीक्रेट किसी और को बता दिया, यू कैन से ही बिट्रेड मी. अगेन इट्स योर डेफिनेशन कि उसने मुझे चीट किया. सो अंडरस्टैंड देयर इज नो डेफिनेशन ऑफ ट्रस्ट एंड मिसट्रस्ट एंड द हार्ट चक्र वांट्स दैट यू शुड बी ओपनिंग योर हार्ट फॉर द एक्सपीरियंस 24/7 into 365.
But if the wisdom permits you to think that such a person's dharma or behavior is such that he will always be cunning. So obviously you can open your heart to say I really have to block out the person because he's not going to change.
Yes, so you have to use the person as per his nature. आज अगर आपके घर में
forgive and accept back many times. In commerce it may not work, in business it may not work.
yes, so that is saying yes.
In minor offenses it could work, but I can just be open about the thought that this person's dharma is such, he's going to do it again. So keep him aside.
Keep him in a profile, not keep him aside. Keep him in a profile where he is not able to do that. Keep him in a profile where he is not able to do this hanky-panky. See, either remove him from the profile. But if you feel I need to keep him in the profile, then keep him in a profile where उसका ये behavior सामने नहीं आता. Maybe it will not, वो behavior, वो cheating का या जो भी है behavior, वो जब सामने नहीं आएगा, put him in that profile as per his behavior. जैसे आज आपके पास आग है, it's not that आग जलाती है तो I don't trust the आग. It's the behavior of the आग, no? It's the behavior of the fire. You can't say I don't trust fire, या ये घर जला देती है. Take like that. This person is not, he's just like a fire. But you know the behavior of fire, you will use it to warm your food. You have to use that person because that person has come in your environment for something. तभी तो आपके environment में है. You can't say that if you want to throw him out is a choice. That's no problem. You can throw the person out of your environment. That's totally fine. But if he is a part of your environment, then use him like fire. Okay? I think time is up. So last is about forgiveness, and I'll just briefly touch forgiveness.
What is the letter signifies in the chakra?
See, every chakra no needs a seed sound to open it. इसका जो seed sound है वो है यम. तो जब हम यम यम करते हैं ना तो हमको हार्ट में धड़कन महसूस होती है. हमारा हार्ट धड़कता है और वो खिड़की जो है प्रेशर से खुलती है. मैं लास्ट टाइम कहा था कि सबके हार्ट इतने बंद हैं कि प्लायर से खोलने पड़ेंगे. So यम जो है इसका मंत्र है. Lastly, I will briefly touch on the lesson of forgiveness. Heart chakra needs that you have to be ready to forgive. Because आज आपको जो लगता है कि this person has done wrong to me, again it's your definition. He has done wrong to you. We have to understand what is the meaning of forgiveness. Who will like to say what is forgiveness? अब किसी ने मेरे साथ गलत किया है, जानबूझ के भी गलत किया है. What is the meaning of forgiveness? Number one, I am at peace with myself. Accept as it is.
releasing those negative emotion, releasing anger and hurt because of the action.
Yes, yes. This is very beautifully said. We can say that forgiveness is the peace and understanding, which comes by blaming the person less, by taking the situation less personally.
It can be the experience.
Yes, by taking that situation less personally, by blaming the person less, and by changing your grievance story. By changing the story. Forgiveness doesn't mean that you accept what the person has done. It doesn't mean that you are accepting his act. You are accepting what it has done. It is just that because we don't forgive, it is actually holding us for opening up for the experience. So for the forgiveness, how we have to forgive is, we have to understand that whatever has happened, basically it has more to do with the person, more to do with the situation, and we have to take that event, first is, we have to take it as a divine will. And to forgive, the best part is, suppose you have got a deep hurt inside you. बहुत deep hurt है, and because of it you are not able to forgive, you are not able to go past, you keep on thinking about it. The best way is, उसको बड़ी ध्यान से सामने देखो. See what is hurting you. उसको बहुत ध्यान से देखो. आपके दिमाग में बहुत सारे सेंटेंस आएंगे, पर you ask yourself, मुझे दर्द किस बात का हो रहा है? किस बात का हो रहा है? करते when you ask yourself, okay, उसने मुझे छोड़ दिया, फिर क्यों दर्द हो रहा है? उसने बोल के क्यों नहीं गया? Okay, फिर क्यों दर्द हो रहा है? पूछो, एंड में एक छोटा सा डर आएगा. I have a fear of being alone. I have a fear that I will never find a love in my life. अंदर का जो छोटा सा fear है ना, वो इतना सा निकी होगा. इतना सा fear होगा. वो इतना सा fear जब आप देख लोगे ना, उसको देखो और रिलीज करो. I release this fear. Why it will not happen? I am a creator. So you will realize the hurt जो है, pain है, हमको इतना बड़ा क्यों लग रहा है? Because we are linking with everything that has happened in the past. देखो इस पर्सन ने ऐसे किया, पर मैंने उसके लिए ये किया था, वो किया था, इतनी लंबी स्टोरी बनती है. But understand, आपका hurt is not because of the story. आपने जोड़ लिया, but his action is not because of the story. His action dependent on that moment. उसकी उस समय क्या circumstance थी, क्या moment थी, it had no relation with this. Whatever you have done for him in the past, you've enjoyed also, no? You've enjoyed the experience. You are hurt because of this experience, last, आखिरी का. उसने बोला क्यों नहीं, why didn't he say, जाने के पहले ऐसे क्यों नहीं किया, वैसे क्यों नहीं किया, X, Y, Z. तो सबसे पहले उसको आर्टिकुलेट करो कि my pain is because of the last one. उसको निकालते जाओ, एंड में अपना डर महसूस करो और वो डर को निकालो. एंड वंस यू जैसे डर को निकालोगे, टेक इट एज डिवाइन विल. कि I don't see what he has done, what I have done. I release the need to punish him. I release the need to harm the person. I release the need that he will come back and apologize. I release the need he will change. I release it. I release him only from my environment. I accept what has happened in totality. Most of the hurt happens because we don't accept कि हो गया. सबसे पहले इसको पूरी टोटलिटी में एक्सेप्ट करो, वो पर्सन को रिलीज करो, उसको खुदा की मेहर मानो कि whatever it is, it has happened as per the divine will. और जब ये बोलोगे, go into the ocean of compassion, realize that it is a heroic choice to forgive. It is not weakness. To err is human, to forgive is divine. Knowing that a life well lived is the best revenge. There are a lot of ways you can move on. Search for ways to fulfill your ambition. Realize that it is a heroic choice to forgive. Realize that in leaving the hurt and pain, I let in peace. And a peaceful me is a beautiful me. And the best part is, it is in my control. So knowing that, swim in the ocean of compassion and say, maaf kiya. Okay.